expert weather forecast from Central Oregon's news leader.
Some good news as far as the firefighting is concerned. Also, as far as our moisture is concerned, we are dry and we could use some rain, and we're going to get some over the next couple days. Right now, here's a look from the Old Mill District. This is a live view as we look at the Deschutes River there in the center of the screen. But what I'm pointing to you here is the rain that's falling from the base of the cloud and then evaporating in this drier air at the surface. So if you notice, the ground is dry, but there is officially some light rain falling from the sky. So our rainy pattern is beginning, more specifically tomorrow. I'll get that in the future track, but basically we're setting ourselves up for some rain tomorrow. Much cooler air is starting out the first day of summer is actually Saturday. It's going to be in the 50s, and then rain tapers off Saturday evening and will dry out on Sunday. So we'll salvage the second half of the weekend with sunshine. And if you like the rain, well, that's coming on Saturday. Winds are noticeable, but not too overwhelming. In Redmond, though, it's 18 miles an hour, the same as Prineville, generally from the west-northwest. As we do take a look at what's going on as far as the rain is concerned, we have this cloud line, a line of cloud cover that extends all the way through the crest of the Cascades through the Oregon area. And right in central Oregon, we are seeing that light rain that is falling from the clouds. I just showed you on our Old Mill camera, but it isn't making it to the ground. There may be some light rain or drizzle in the region, but for the most part, this is not a large rain event. It is just something that's prepping us for what will be a little bit more rain tomorrow and on Saturday. Here's a look. The future track grabs a sliver of that and then gets rid of it. 10 o'clock, most of the showers are gone. And then, interestingly enough, we are going to get cold. We have a cold pocket of air that's coming in and will overtake the region this weekend. And you're actually seeing the possibility of some very high-level snow. It will melt as soon as it hits the ground. We've been so warm. It's almost summer officially. But we will see some scattered showers tomorrow in the afternoon with light rain. And overnight, again, into our Saturday morning, that snow may be noticeable if you're heading through the passes. But the roads will not be all that impacted because they will not be able to freeze up, and most of that will melt. But it is snow nonetheless, and it is, it is interesting to see here in mid-June. Future track rainfall amounts not going to be all that impressive, actually, as we do notice most of the showery weather will be in the valley. So you see the green there, that's probably about 1/4 of an inch of rain. Well, we'll see about 1/10 of an inch here by the time all is said and done on Saturday afternoon. 70 degrees right now in Redmond, 72 in Bend. We're calling it sunny, but it really isn't. It's cloudy out there, so the sensors are picking up sunshine, but we know better as we take a look. 43 degrees will be the temperature overnight at 4 a.m. And currently, we have 68 Sun River, 77 in Warm Springs, and a 72 in Prineville with a 65 in Sisters. Lows tonight will be cool with 35 in Sun River, 45 in Madras, and a 40 in the Prineville area. And the highs tomorrow. These are highs. Yeah, these used to be lows earlier this month. 60 for the high in Bend, 55 in Sun River, 60 in the Prineville area. So here is a look at our future track 7-day. We got 58 on the first day of summer with 60% chance of rain, 79 on Monday. Then we get back to the 80s as we head into the middle of next week.